What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sally and Nani from Brawl Stars. Now the first thing I'm going to do is draw a circle in the center of our page for the face. Starting from the very top, just going to work our way around towards the left, come down and in towards the middle. Now it's going to work our way up along the right side. Just going out and up, and just bend that back in towards the center. Now we want to place the mouth in the center of the face, starting right in the middle. Start with a straight line going across towards the left. We're going to round up the lips, just pulling that back in along the top and then the bottom. Now when you go back up to the top, draw a straight line going out towards the right. Round up the mouth, come down and in, and then we'll just close this off with a straight line. Let's move up to the top and draw two small circles for the eyes. So we leave a small gap in the center, draw one circle on the left, and then one on the right, and then we'll fill the eyes in black. Let's move down underneath the face and draw on the bow tie. We start right in the center, start with an oval, going around, and then back up. And then from the top, angle up and out toward the left and right. Move down towards the bottom, angle down and out towards the sides. Let's round up the side of the bow tie. Starting from the top, we're going to curve this out and then in. Let's surround the face with another circle going in behind the bow tie. So we're going to start on the left side. Just going to go out and up. Round up the top, go across, and then down on the right side, and just pull that back in toward the side of the bow tie. Let's move out and draw the outside of the body. We start from the side of the bow tie, starting on the left, and draw a half circle, coming down, and then back up on the right side, and then from the top, draw a straight line going out towards the side. Now we're going to draw a straight line going up along the side of the body. Starting on the left, I'm going to pull this up to right about there. Do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now we're going to round up the top of the head. Starting back on the left, curve around, in towards the middle, go across and then down on the right. Let's draw a pinwheel hat on top of the head. Starting over on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, going up, rounding out the hat, and then coming down on the right. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve out and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to add that button in the center. Draw a half circle, going up and then down. Let's draw the first propeller on the left side. Starting from the top, curve up, round this out. Now I'm just going to pull that back in towards the button. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Just lining up the top, go up, around, and then in. Let's move down and add that button on the right side, starting with a circle. And we'll trace that circle on the inside. Let's add that face in the center of the button. Start with two small black dots along the top. Draw a straight line going across just underneath the eyes. Connect the ends of the mouth with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a bevel on the bottom edge of the body. Starting back on the left, angle down and in. Then draw a straight line coming back in towards the middle. And then we'll connect the bottom corners of that bevel with another curve, coming down and then bending that up on the right. Let's leave a gap in the center, draw the inside edge of the legs. Moving over towards the left, curve out and down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, curve out in the opposite direction. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot coming down and then up. And then we'll draw a half circle on the outside of the foot. Starting on the left, go up, and then back down. Let's go to the top of the foot, step out, draw a straight line going up towards the edge of the shoe. And then from here we're just going to curve in and then down towards the inside of the leg. So line this up on the right, go up and then out. From the outside corner of the shoe, we're going to step in, curve the leg going up, and then in behind the body. Let's go to the inside of the half circle, draw a straight line going up towards the top. Let's move back up and draw the arms raised up along the side. We're going to start with the shoulders, starting from the left side of the body, curve out, come straight down, and then bend that in towards the side. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go out, straight down, and then bend that in. Let's draw a hoop going across the left arm, starting from the top of the shoulder, curve up, and then down. Round this out with a half circle, and then we'll follow that same curve going up and then back in behind the shoulder. And then we'll add some stripes across the hoop, starting from the outside, angle down and in, step in, and we'll just continue this all the way in towards the shoulder. Let's draw Coney's head on the left side of the hoop. Starting from the top, draw a circle going around, and then back up. And then along the sides, we're going to draw a small half circle for the ears. Let's draw a small oval in the center of the head, going all the way down toward the bottom and back up. Step up and draw two small circles for the eyes. Let's go to the top of that oval, start with a small black dot, and go down and out towards the left and right side. Now we want to draw the hand coming up from underneath that hoop. Starting over on the left, draw an oval, going up, rounding out the hand, and then coming down on the inside. Let's line up with the outside of the hand underneath Coney, curve the arm coming down, and then in behind the shoulders. Now I'm going to add a couple stripes across the arm. Starting from the top, curve out, and then down, step down, go out, and down. Now we're going to take the same arm and flip it over on the right. So let's start from the top of the shoulder, curve up toward the top of the hand, and then bend that down. Now it's going to round out the bottom of the arm, coming down, and then in towards the shoulder. Let's move back up to the top and separate out the hand, curving up and then down. And we'll add those same lines, starting back at the top, go out and down, step down, curve out, and then down towards the bottom of the arm. And then one last thing we're going to do is add two lines on the side of the head, starting on the left, angle down and out, step down, draw that twice. We'll take that and flip it over on the right, going down towards the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Sally and Nani from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.